Hello, I'm Miss Kristin, and this is a Cape May County Library book recommendation video. Today I'm going to share with you 4 new nonfiction children's books. Nonfiction books are all about feeding your curiosity.
The first book I'd like to recommend is for parents, guardians, and teachers who are curious about how to work more screen-free learning opportunities into their daily lives. The Nature Play Workshop for Families by Monica Wiedel-Lubinski and Karen Madigan is the perfect reference to discover simple educational experiences you can find outside. With over 40+ ideas for interacting with nature, this book will have you exploring, discovering, and developing a love for the outdoors as a family. The next title I'd like to share with you is for those of us who are curious about our place in the universe. This beautiful picture book expertly expresses the vastness of our universe while also illuminating just how special our little blue planet is. From how tall a giraffe is compared to the California redwoods, compared to Mount Everest, compared to the planets. Your Place in the Universe by Jason Chin makes a complicated subject more accessible and understandable for all readers. The next book I'd like to share with you is the Worry Less book, Feel Strong, Find Calm, and Tame Your Anxiety by Rachel Bryan. This book is for anyone who's curious about why we worry. It also gives the reader practical tools which can help challenge negative thoughts, help create a comfort zone, and accept that being imperfect is what makes us all human. The final book I'd like to share with you today is a beautiful new picture book called Sometimes People March by Tessa Allen. This book is for anyone who's curious about why people march. Represented inside this book are 25 key figures, movements, and marches. This book introduces ideas about why someone might want to march through beautiful illustrations and crisp, inspiring text. That is it for my nonfiction recommendations today. Thank you for watching this video. Keep being curious and make sure to check back here next Monday for new children's book recommendations.